This is Mrs. Gibson. She is one of our best customers. We've done lots of work for her. We're about to start doing her kitchen on Monday. Let me tell you about everything we're doing here. We were taking off the little shelves here and the shelves on the island. There's some on this end. We're going to extend the island both ends and width as well to have a better workspace. We're refacing all the cabinets and then painting them. We're doing a new sink, faucet. Outlets are getting moved farther out from the sinks. New under cabinet lights. We're going to give a fresh coat of paint. We're painting all those cabinets white. They're going to be this color, correct?
Yes.
And then we're putting outlets here because there's none. New cooktop. And then over here, oh, and countertops, we're doing new countertops. And we are raising this one to be the same level to match here. And we're putting in some new drawers here. And this is going to be drawers too, correct?
Yes.
That is turning into drawers. And I think that's everything. Did I miss something?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. I'm excited to see what this is going to look like. Going to be beautiful.